Try this cheeseburger. I really wanted kind of a classic cheeseburger, even though it's got mayo and bouillon. Can we get a thumbnail? Oh, where's the pickle? All right. Oh, I'm excited. Let's try this, baby. Oh, it's really tender. I think the first thing, I'm noticing the flavor, the salt. There is a lot of salt in bouillon. Is it a little pink? It might be a little pink, I'm not sure. Just a touch of pink. Boy, it does have flavor. Different than what I'm used to. In a good way. Let's try another bite. I'm going to take another bite. I am pleasantly surprised at the moment. I've never put mayo in a burger before. I know it's a thing. I was looking up cheeseburgers. I don't know why. I wanted to do a normal cheeseburger with lettuce, tomato, and pickles. I landed on this 1989 books blurb about all-American cheeseburgers, and it starts with Weiler's Bouillon. Now, it's not easy to find Weiler's Bouillon in a jar, nor Knorr right now has a burger called the Classic, is it? and they put their bouillon in it, but Walmart didn't have that. It only had the chicken and some tomato thing. The Maggi was the easiest, and it's got monosodium glutamate. I know. Just like Weiler's has monosodium glutamate. And I think Maggi had fewer ingredients. We have to take another bite. We do. We'll take another bite. Oh, man. Man. That's delicious. I gotta take another full bite with a pickle. There's just a tiny bit of pink in there. Very different. That's freaking delicious. I am not disappointed. It also might be one of the most tender hamburgers I've ever made. How is that possible? The bouillon and the mayo? Wow. Thanks for joining me this Sunday for a Mayo Bouillon Cheeseburger. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Oh. Thanks for watching.